Hello?
Hi, my name is James. I'm calling from the Bank of I was looking to speak with Stefan.
Yeah, this is him.
Hi, Stefan. How are you doing today?
Not really happy right now.
I realize that, and that's why I'm calling you as a manager from the bank. We've heard that you've been unhappy lately.
You could say that. Mishandling a couple fees for me for the past couple months.
Yeah, and I know that you've spoken with a couple of my associates, and that's why I wanted to get on the phone with you today and see if we could solve this issue.
I would like to handle it, but I'm not too sure that we can. This has been going on for a couple months.
I promise you, you are in good hands now, and we can fix whatever is wrong. Please allow me the opportunity.
All right, let's do this.
Okay, can you explain the situation to me, please?
3 months ago, I overdrew in my savings account, and it's supposed to have a $300 minimum. And once I realized I did that, I transferred some money back into the account so I didn't overdraw. Is everything okay there?
I'm sorry?
Those noises. I thought I heard something.
No, didn't hear anything. Which noise is he talking about?
It sounds like some moaning.
Moaning? No, I didn't hear anything like that.
You weren't moaning when I was talking?
Oh, that. You heard that.
Yes, I did.
I'm sorry. If you must know, I was eating a delicious chocolate chip cookie. I could hardly contain myself. This thing is so good.
Do you think that's the right time for it?
Well,
right now?
I haven't had lunch yet, and so I had a cookie here on my desk, and I figured I'd, just eat the cookie while you were talking.
Right in the middle of our phone call.
Well, I'm paying attention to you. I'm listening to every word you're saying, and I'm completely on board here. If you could just explain the issue to me fully, I'll be able to help you.
Are you going to actually listen to me this time, or are you just going to keep eating your cookie?
All right, I have put the cookie down. I promise you I will give you my full attention here.
Thank you. Now, as I was saying, the reason I'm really frustrated now was 3 months ago, this should have been handled. And 2 months ago, it should have been handled. But, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Put down the damn cookie.
I've put down the cookie.
So why were you moaning?
Oh, I just took a bite of this double chocolate brownie that somebody left in the break room.
Put down the damn brownie. My freaking issue's important right now. This should have been handled.
You're right. You're right. It's important, and I'm trying to help you out if you just calm down. It seems like you're getting a little upset with me.
A little upset? No, this isn't a little upset. I could show you really upset. Are you done with the brownie?
Yes. I put the brownie down. I'm sorry.
Move all the baked goods off of your desk right now.
Got it. The cookie and the brownie.
No, everything else. There's got to be more than that, just the cookie and the brownie. There's got to be muffins or whatever else.
I wish I had a muffin. I wish I had a muffin right now.
No, don't. Move it all off.
Okay, sir, there is no food around me. I'm paying complete attention to you.
You said that to me before, and you were lying to me, so you better be telling the truth right now.
I promise. No food around me. I'm good. Let's get to your problem here.
Like I was saying, I've been getting charged $20 extra every single month because you guys can't seem to fix the problem. Are you kidding me? Are you eating again?
No, I was just licking my fingers. You can still taste the brownie.
I can't believe this. You've been messing up my stuff. You've been licking your fingers. You've been eating. You can't even take care of me. I'm going to freaking get you reported or something. I don't know. I want to talk to somebody somewhere right now to get this matter fixed.
Okay, well, there's nobody that I can let you talk to at the bank. I'm sorry.
There's no one.
Nobody.
Absolutely no one.
Nobody that I know.
What is that supposed to mean?
Oh, that means this is actually Jubal from Brook and Jubal in the Morning doing a phone tap on you.
No.
Yes.
No.
Your friend Zach set you up.
Oh, are you kidding me?
No. He told us that you were mad at your bank and wanted to prank you.
Oh, my gosh. I was ready to kill you.
I'm sorry, what were you saying? I was eating a cookie.